Hey, it's Mega, aka the Art Messiah, here to save you from your art sins. Today is day 6 of the 30 days of making comics challenge. It is pretty late at night and definitely getting a little tired, but we're going to go ahead and record this video real quick. It's actually going to be a quick video today. I'm just finishing up the character design sheet for my main character. And I just wanted to point out a few things while I kind of time-lapse through some of this drawing. So here are just some headshots of my main character and the headshots at different angles. So I've seen a lot of people kind of complain about consistency while drawing the same character. Every time they draw the character, it comes out a little bit different. So one way you can kind of fix this is you create a character design sheet like this, and you draw the character at different angles. So the thing you really want to pay attention to and make sure that you do when you create this character design sheet is create these design guides in the background that show where the placement of eyes are and the nose is and where the hairline is. So what you're basically doing is figuring out the structure for the face. So a lot of people kind of miss giving their character the structure that they need, and they just look at comics and manga and they just, okay, this is what a side profile looks. But you need to think of your character as a 3D person, and so you want to draw all you want to actually draw more angles than just 3, and I'll continue to make more, but as long as you draw some different angles in, you can understand how your character looks. And so when you have to draw it over and over and over again, you have a reference sheet. You can come back to here and see what the head looks like at a different angle, and you'll know how the eyes are supposed to look and the eyebrows. So this will really help you guys kind of overcome any kind of consistency problems you might be having while drawing the same character over and over again. And this is a really fun part about design, because you get to just mess around with shapes and designs and different kinds of color and different types of eyes, and you're really just trying to figure out how you want this character to look. And I really enjoy this process a lot. And just remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, and you should really actually complete it and do it in iterations. So hopefully that kind of helps you guys out. I'm going to start wrapping up this video. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, this is day 6 of comic making, character design. So hopefully you guys are following along and having fun with it. Thanks, and see you next time. Peace.